This one is a real a Les Paul. Very nice. This is the $1,999 version. Turn it a little bit more so you can see it here. Solid mahogany body, carved maple top, set mahogany neck, bound rosewood fingerboard, Burstbucker 3, bridge humbucker, 57 classic neck humbucker, push, pull, coil splitting, 3-way toggle pickup selector. Really, push, pull, aha, look at that. It does do that. I've never done one of these, and you get these really awesome tuners on the back. It's like they're locking tuners for real. So these looks great. Made in USA, 2014 model. This one, Goldtop, 2014. What's the more of a single coil type sound? So it gives you some more options then for I don't know if that affects other areas too. Let's see, probably not. Oh, it does. This one, this pickup here also does it. So I got coil tapping on this one too. So you can even do the coil tapping between. This is with both of them open here. This is crazy. Lots of tone. This is just the plain old front pickup. Lots of tonal possibilities with this kind because of that coil tapping. I like that. Front pickup actually, which is insane.